Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I have sent this worksheet on chapter number 3, atoms and molecules. Here are the problems which are given, and today I am explaining the solutions of this problem. So first, write the chemical formula of potassium sulfate. Okay, the answer is you have to write the chemical formula for potassium sulfate. Okay, so see the answer. The formula for potassium sulfate is K2SO4. Okay, the formula for potassium sulfate is K2SO4. Now, second is calculate the molar mass of ethyne. The formula for ethyne is C2H2. Okay, and also phosphorus molecule, that is P4. You have to calculate the formula mass or molar mass. Okay, so here you should know that the molar mass of the all atoms. Okay, atomic mass you should know of all this, and also the atomic masses of carbon, hydrogen and phosphorus which are given in the question. Okay, according to this you have to calculate this molar mass. So how to calculate for C2H2? Okay, C2H2, for calculating the molar mass for C2H2, see, the atomic mass for carbon is 12 here, and how there are two carbon atom though, so 2 into 12, then the atomic mass for hydrogen is 1. There are two hydrogen atoms, so here 2 is multiplied with 1. 2 into 12 plus 2 into 1, that means 24 plus 2, it is a 26 U. U is a unit, atomic unit, U is a unit. Okay, unit mass it is. And then for P4, that is phosphorus molecule, the atomic mass for phosphorus is 31, so multiplied with 4 because there are 4 phosphorus atoms, so that's why 4 into 31 is it is a 124 U. Okay, now question number second, define formula unit mass. See this question number second, define formula mass, unit mass, and calculate the formula unit mass for NaCl. Okay, NaCl is a sodium chloride. Sodium, you have to calculate the atomic mass for sodium chloride. Okay, and also define the formula mass unit. It is a definition for formula mass unit, the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in the formula unit of a compound. Okay, you have to sum the atomic masses of all the atom. See, if example is H2O, अगर हमने H2O का example लिया तो उसमें 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम है and 1 ऑक्सीजन एटम है. So you have to add the atomic masses of 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Add all these atomic masses and that should be your formula mass unit. Okay, so you have to calculate for NaCl, that is sodium chloride. See, the atomic mass for Na is a 23, there is only 1, so 1 into 23 plus Cl 35.5, only one Cl atom is there, so 1 into 35. So add all these and answer should be 58.5 U. Okay. Now, third problem, calculate the number of moles for first is 60 gram of calcium and second is 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 number of oxygen atom. Okay, so you should know that number of mole, calculation for number of mole means small n. Okay, and the formula for calculation of small n is small m upon capital M. Small m is a molar, that mass. Okay, and this is their atomic mass. So we have given this m, we have to calculate first m, and m is the atomic mass, actually capital M is the atomic mass. We have given this m, which is the atomic mass for calcium, which is 40 U, and m is a given mass which is a 60. So the formula for calculation of n, number of mole, is a capital small m upon capital M. M, it is a atomic mass for calcium, which is 40. See here 40 and 60 is a small m. So when 40 is divided by 60, the answer should be 1.5. It is no unit, there is no unit because it has also u and it has also u. The both are cutted down and here answer should have no unit. Now first, second calculation for here again number of mole we have to calculate, but here the next value which is given, that is 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. Given particles is given, okay, particle of mass is given, this is a, and the formula, next formula for calculation of this capital N upon N0. N0 is a Avogadro number and this is a particles, number of moles per particles, okay. So see, put this value both in formula and calculate the answer should be 0.5, okay. Now fourth question, write the formula for NH4 by 2 SO4 ammonium sulfate. It is a ammonium sulfate. Write down the name for this ammonium sulfate and you have to calculate. I have already told you this sum, and this one is a repeated one, okay. So check this. Now last question, fifth question is, you have to convert into mole 20 gram of water, okay, 22 gram of carbon dioxide, and second question is, give the names of elements. See the question here, this is the fifth question. Convert into mole 20 gram of water, atomic mass of hydrogen and oxygen are given, 22 gram of carbon dioxide, atomic mass is also given here, and give the names for elements present here, potassium sulfate and hydrogen bromide. In which kind of elements which are present here, you have to write down their name, okay. So solve this first one. See, you have to calculate the small n, which is the number of moles, and formula is a small m upon capital M, okay. So first you have to calculate the atomic mass for water. The atomic mass for water is 18 U, okay. Now put this value, 20 is already given, you have to just put 20 upon 18, the answer should be 1.1, okay. Next, you have to calculate the number of moles for carbon dioxide. First you have to calculate the atomic mass, which is 44 U, and you already know that how to calculate the formula mass, okay. So this is the formula mass for CO2 and which is a capital M. So put this value and calculate the answer, that is 0.5, okay. And also second is a, give the names which are a name of the element present in potassium sulfate and hydrogen bromide. In potassium sulfate, the name of elements which are present are potassium, sulfur and oxygen, and second hydrogen bromide, hydrogen and brominols only, okay. So this is all about the answer key, that is these are the answers for yesterday's worksheet. So here we'll stop, okay.